Hello everyone, welcome back to Maximum Automation. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss one Appium issues which most of us are facing while running the Appium command. I have received a couple of questions from you guys that they are facing issues while running the Appium and the people are getting the spawn error on their command prompt. Let me first show you what kind of error people are getting while running the Appium. So this is my command prompt and I'm going to run the command Appium to start the Appium server. You can see that the moment I enter the command, it displays the error as spawn EIN well. So there could be multiple reasons to get this error. One of those reasons is when you update your Windows operating system, then some files are getting impacted because of those updates. For example, let's say if you have updated your OS from Windows 10 to Windows 11, then in that case, you're going to face this error. So for that, what you need to do is you need to update your Appium installation, which will repair the corrupted files as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the command to reinstall the Appium. And the command is npm install -g Appium. This is going to take a few minutes to update the Appium installation. And once the installation is complete, then you should be able to run the Appium server again. Now we can see that the installation is complete. So now I'm going to run the Appium command again to start the Appium server. Here you can see that the Appium server is now running absolutely fine. You can point to this URL to initiate your Appium driver. I hope you like this video. Please put your comments in the comment box. And please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.